Ebúbéagu by 8 Biafra youth in Umuhokabia in Orlu. No be small thing, no. As that one they happen, they say that some Biafrans in Enugu don't drag the governor of Enugu State to court over plan to demolish some of their property over there. As that one they happen, one of our brother don't come outside with a new reggae song. He said that there will be a revolution in Nigeria. No be small thing, no. As that one they happen again, they say some of our Biafra brothers are now using Biafra flag to identify themselves in their boxing fight. My people, we'll go find out how these things take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Jason. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, my wonderful people. If you know say you never give this channel a follow, I don't know what you are waiting for. And make sure say you subscribe to this channel because we are here to bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. May you make sure say you share our video anytime you come across our video. Turn your notification bell so that you will get our video bomber to bomber. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. They say that the Nigerian army and the Ebúbéagu come encounters with some unknown gunmen in Umuhokabia. And these unknown gunmen neutralize so many Ebúbéagu and the Nigerian army. So on their way going with the anger of some of their men they lost, they start shooting everywhere and ending up killing 8 Biafra youth. This is happening in Orlu and nobody is talking about it. I have urged the people in this area to make sure say they covered and video anything that is happening in their various villages. Make sure that you bring in the information forward so that the world will know what is happening. Once the thing happened, don't go and risking your life videoing. Once it happened, try to video and bring evidence so that when we are talking, we show people this video so that they will know what is going on in this particular side called Umuhokabia. Yeah, my wonderful people. Let's quickly jump into this Ogbonge news again where we get for hand. They say that some businessmen, some Biafra businessmen in Enugu have dragged the governor of Enugu State to court over a plan to demolish some of their properties. Claim it is in a government land. Now, wow, Governor Mba, since where you enter, and so the people they call you for mat, bam, 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 bam. But may you try to be friendly with your people. Yeah, my wonderful people. As that one they happen, they say some of our brothers are now identifying themselves as a Biafrans during their what they call it, boxing game. Those guys, there's one in Indonesia, there's one in is it in Qatar and other countries. They are now identifying themselves as a Biafrans. So it gives them joy to represent Biafra than to represent Nigeria. Well, keep it on. This is a welcome development. Other people should do so. Because when you start identifying yourself everywhere you are, that means Nigeria is going to know the bad head out of Nigerians. So that means the country where you are will know the bad head. Those who are the real people and those who are the fake people. Very, very important by using your flag. Yeah, my people, one of our brother, he don't come outside. He say he don't, in fact, he don't compose a reggae that will make revolution, revolution will use to march for revolution in Nigeria. No be small thing, no. We will risk it, and we will bring the music come up for this channel. And we wanna see waiting this our brother talk. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Hello friends, how are you all doing? This is your friend and brother, Dr. Haruna Gora. I've been working on a song titled Revolution to deal with the current situation that's going on in our nation. We already know that if we are waiting for the executive, legislative, or the judicial arm of government to bring change in Nigeria, we are daydreaming. And so it's important that we as citizens take our nation back. And what better way to bring this message home? So I decided to go to the studio and record the song. And one of my talents is singing. And the genre that I like using so I can bring out my message with clarity is reggae. Some of you may not be familiar with it. You like Afro pop and many of the other styles of music. But in our days, how we brought out our message and spoke to government and spoke to people to bring a message home, we used reggae or Afro beat, just like Fela was doing. But today we don't have so many of our modern day artists doing that. They're just singing songs and dancing. And I don't condemn you, but I'm saying if we really want to bring out clear messages, this is not about dancing, it's about standing up to take our nation back. So I want you to enjoy the song. Let me know what you feel about it. Feel free to share it with as many people as you can, and also leave me a message. I want to know your input, what you feel about this song. Go ahead and enjoy
Wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, this is not the song where this our brother sing, where in turn say now it go be the song where go be the song of revolution for inside Nigeria. But the message is very clear. The Igbo people, the Biafran people have sent Igbo Biafrans and other Biafrans have sent a clear message to Nigeria that they don't want to belong to this country anymore. So I think the revolution should take place, but if it is to unite Nigeria, it will never work, because that hatred has been there and there's nothing mankind can do about it. So the best thing is everyone to go his own separate ways. So my people, this is our own thoughts in this particular liberation song. Yeah, share this video and make sure that you follow our channel for a quick update as it is hot. You are free to write us or to tell us anything that is happening around your area. When we investigate it, we are going to bring it up here. Yeah, my people, we'll see you for the next update as it is hot.